No, paibalo lang no na dani ba na-renew na gid nato ang ato ang tulo ka lisensya, no. Alright, no, I would like to remind everyone of the importance of renewing our PRC license for civil engineering and master plumber, no. Then DPWH accreditation contractor consultant material engineer, no. Keeping these licenses up to date is essential. As having expired licenses can lead to significant challenges, particularly when we continue to engage in transactions. So at least na-renew na ang tulo ka lisensya, no? So dapat una ang sa civil engineer sa civil engineer. So okay na, tuloy ang pagpamirma, mamirma na punta guys, no? I also want to show that I was able, no? Karon lang gid mismo na renew. Right. I was able to successfully renew my PRC license today, no? Gani. And the new location of the Proportional Regulation Commission of Pagadian City at the Balantawak